Hi everyone, this is Janello Clue of the Law Offices of Janello Clue, Lojo Immigration. Welcome to my video. Before we get started, I just wanted to say, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Also, right next to the subscribe button, there's going to be a bell. Click it and you'll be notified each time I make a new video. Also, leave your comments down below. I do read your comments. And if you have questions, post them in the comments section. I'm going to read those questions and I'll answer the questions in an upcoming video. All right, so today we are going to talk about re-entry permits. Do you know what a re-entry permit is? All right, let me tell you what it is and how it can help you. If you are a green card holder, that is a lawful permanent resident of the United States, and you find that you need to travel abroad for an extended period of time, okay? You need to be outside the United States for a year or more, okay? Then you really need to make sure that you apply for a re-entry permit before you leave the U.S. The re-entry permit is basically permission, advance permission, to be able to re-enter the United States after an extended period abroad. Because normally for a green card holder, if you stay outside the United States for more than a year, you are going to be deemed to have abandoned your permanent resident status, okay? And you don't want that to happen, because I know that for a lot of people, I mean, you've really been through a lot. It's been a long and arduous process to get your green card, to get your permanent resident status, and you don't want to lose that, okay? So you need to apply for the reentry permit before you leave the country. Why is that? Because the application, okay, the application for the reentry permit needs to be submitted while you are physically in the United States. You cannot apply for a reentry permit from outside the U.S. Also, there's a requirement that you complete biometrics, okay? Fingerprinting, facial biometrics, processing to get the reentry permit. And those biometrics also need to be completed in the United States. You can't do the biometrics from abroad. So if you find yourself in the situation why, you know, perhaps your job is sending you abroad for an extended period, or maybe you have a family obligation that requires you to go abroad for a long period of time, there is a way to protect your permanent resident status, to protect your green card, and that is to apply for the reentry permit before you leave the United States, okay? So, folks, that's what a reentry permit is. That's what it does. The reentry permit, typically, it can be approved for a period of 1 to 2 years, okay? And you can return to the United States from a long trip abroad as long as the reentry permit is still valid. So basically you would be traveling with your passport, okay, from your country of origin, traveling with the permanent resident card itself, as well as the re-entry permit, okay? So if you are considering an extended trip abroad, remember this good piece of advice from Lojo Immigration, and that is apply for your re-entry permit before you leave. Also do the biometrics before you leave, all right? So thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel for more updates from Lojo Immigration.